Welcome. If you've synced your phone contacts with Telegram and now want to remove them, you're in the right place. In this quick guide, we'll go through the updated steps to delete synced contacts from Telegram, so your contact list stays exactly how you want it. Let's get started. First, open the Telegram app on your device. Once the app is open, look to the top left corner of the screen and tap on the menu icon. This is usually represented by 3 horizontal lines. From the menu that appears, tap on Settings. This is where you'll manage most of your Telegram preferences, including privacy options. Next, tap on Privacy and Security. This section gives you full control over who can see your activity, your phone number, and how your data is handled. Now scroll down until you find the option labeled Delete Synced Contacts. This is the setting that removes any contacts that were uploaded from your phone to Telegram's servers. Once you tap on it, you'll see a confirmation message asking if you're sure you want to delete them. Go ahead and confirm. Telegram will then remove all synced contacts from your account. It's that simple. However, keep in mind that this will only delete the contacts stored on Telegram's servers. If you have the contact sync option enabled, Telegram might re-upload them later, so it's also a good idea to turn off the sync feature if you don't want contacts to return automatically. To do that, while still in the Privacy and Security section, find the Contacts category and disable the Sync Contacts option. This ensures Telegram will no longer access your phone's contact list, and that's it. You've successfully deleted synced contacts from Telegram. Taking a few minutes to manage these settings can help you maintain better control over your privacy and your personal data across devices. Thanks for watching.